let's spend a minute looking at how you can use AI to speed up your content production process. So you can use AI to draft and rewrite content faster, going from messy notes to a clear draft in seconds. You could feed an AI tool, maybe Slack threads, your macros, product docs, or internal knowledge content, or even a transcript from a call with a subject matter expert, and then ask the AI tool to rewrite it as a customer-facing article. Just remember, though, that AI here is your co-pilot, not your editor, so you still need to review and refine. Here's a prompt you can use to help you with this. So this uses the RICE Q format: role, input, context, example, question. And it will work with any language model you care to use. So you tell the tool what its role is in this task, then you give it any context it needs, you give it an example of how you want it to output the result, and then you restate the question. This structure helps the AI stay focused and gives you a first draft faster. You can also use the AI to spot gaps and optimize what you already have. You can feed it your content on a specific topic and ask it to raise any outdated or missing information, ambiguities, or bad formatting. And here is a prompt to help you do that. This one guides the AI to check structure, clarity, and missing details. It's a really good idea to use this during audits or as part of your regular review rhythm. But always review the output it gives you before setting it live.